I sprung a leak in the main line going up to the house. It's about the third time in the last, probably 5 years I've had to fix a leak in this lawn. So tonight I'm going to be digging this thing out. The leak is right about here where this pencil's at. I stuck a pencil in it to mark it. So I'm going to be digging this out, and I'm going to document the repair and how I repair it. Okay, I just dug out the patch. It looks like there's two spots that are boiling. It's starting to get dark, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's two spots there with that pencil sticking up, and then back towards me there's another spot that's boiling water. And you can see that there's roots all over the place from the trees, and they probably have broken the pipe down there over time. So I've got the top layer of the grass so I can reuse it using a square point shovel, and so now I'm going to start cutting into the roots and digging the hole, which is going to be fun. So now there's the hole. It's nighttime now, and I'm starting to work on chopping the roots. Well, now it's about 12 a.m., so I'm going to call it a night. I'm tired of fighting roots. I finally hit the pipe on one end of the hole, but I got a big wad of roots I still got to cut out. So I'm just going to call it a night and clean things up, and I'm going to turn the water back on and hope it doesn't leak any worse than it did, so it doesn't flood the street, because we need to have water in the house, because I need a shower. I got mud splattered all over me. So anyway, we'll take this up tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to get down there and be able to show how you repair this line. Well, it's the next day, and I've started work on the trench to fix the pipeline. And the thing that's slowing me down is this big ball of roots right there, and that is just a big ball of roots, and it's sitting right on top of the leak. So I got to get it out of there. So I got a saw and hack on it. Well, finally got it dug out. And the leak is right here. You can see where the pipeline split. And how I'm going to fix that is I'm going to cut it right there. And I'm going to use one of these. They're a compression coupler. And they're awesome. So I should be able to just cut it right here and slip the coupler in here and tighten it up, and that should take care of it. So we'll see what happens. I'll leave it up a little bit more. Anyway, right now I'm going to cut it. I'm going to use a small little handsaw. So, because I got the sewer line running through here, right here. I don't want to damage it. So I'll try and put any power saw through here. Nicks in it, and I hope that doesn't mess up. Yeah, I got through it. Now I'm going to have to cut a section back a little bit. Probably cut it right about there, and then slip this on. And then I'll flip it over there, tighten it up, and we'll see what happens. Put me a little better saw blade in here, because this one's not cutting very good. Hopefully it's better. We'll see if it's better. Okay, I'm going to take a little measurement here. I think cut it right about there.
This thing's going wrong.
A lot of times these couplers don't fit right, so I might have to ream out the end. Take a rag, clean this up. Underneath it. See if this coupler will fit. Put it on there like that. See, these black pipes, you can't even buy this stuff anymore. This is the original line that they put in when the house was built, and you can't find it anywhere. So if I was to replace any line, it would be with PVC, and these are made for PVC, and I would use PVC, but this isn't going to work like it is because of this black pipe. So what I have to do is I have to ream this out. And how I do that is I just use a knife. Just kind of carve it out. Like that. And just keep going until it'll fit over the black pipe. There it. Well, now put on there, see? That. And then ring out the other one on the other side. Okay, got them together. Gotta get some pipe like this to go up. Tighten these the rubber seals in there. Start compressing against the pipe. I'm going to turn on the water main and we'll see if it leaks. So far so good. Water's on. Looking good. I'm going to go turn on some water. Yeah, it looks good still. It's been probably about 10 minutes since I completed it, turned on the water pressure, and now we have water in the house and I don't see anything leaking. So it looks good. So it's simple to fix, but when you have a lot of roots, it was really hard to dig out. It took me probably about 6 hours, but probably saved, probably $1,000 in labor to do that. So anyway, that's how you fix a main line going up. How I fix a main line going up the house. And that's how I've always done it. It's the simplest way that I have found, especially with this black pipe, because I found that around here I couldn't find this black pipe or fittings or nipples or couplers or anything for this black pipe. So like I say, I take these compression couplers that are made for PVC and I just modify them to fit the black pipe. But they work pretty good. I really love them for doing repairs on sprinkler systems and in tight spots where it's difficult to apply couplers and PVC cement. So anyway, there it is. Looks good.